This is the story of when Jesus calmed the storm. One evening, Jesus and his disciples set sail across the Sea of Galilee. As they journeyed, a fierce storm erupted. The winds howled, waves crashed, and the boat began to fill with water. The disciples, terrified, sought Jesus. They found him sleeping peacefully amidst the chaos and cried, "Teacher, don't you care if we drown?" Jesus stood, raised his hands, and rebuked the wind and sea, saying, "Peace, be still." Instantly, the storm ceased, and calm prevailed. Awestruck, the disciples asked, "Who is this? Even the wind and sea obey him." That day, they witnessed his divine power over nature.